Did you find toys?
Hi everyone! This is my friend, Mr. Big Mouth. And he has lots of different colored teeth. His teeth are white, red, green, orange, and purple. Let's brush his teeth with this yellow SpongeBob brush. He's trying to eat the toothbrush. He seems like he's very hungry. Let's cut up some vegetables and feed them to him. Let's get these purple grapes.
Yum, 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 yum. More, more, more.
Let's cut this red strawberry.
Yum, 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 yum. More, more, more.
Let's cut this green pear.
Yum, 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 yum. More, more, more.
He has quite an appetite. Let's cut this orange.
Yum, 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 yum. More, more, more.
Let's cut this yellow lemon.
Yum, 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 yum. More, more, more.
Did you know he can give us toy surprises? Maybe he can give us a toy surprise, and then we can feed him some cake.
That's a great idea, Little Mouth.
Thank you.
Wow, he really does have toy surprises in his mouth. Check it out. It's a Paw Patrol Mash-'em. I see blue. It's Chase. Here's Chase. He's very squishy and stretchy. Oh no, Mr. Big Mouth is trying to eat Chase. We better feed him some cake. Okay, here's the cake. Let's cut it up for Mr. Big Mouth. Okay, here's a really big bite.
Yum, 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 yum. More, more.
Hey, Chase is still in there. You can't eat Chase. Oh no! Your teeth are falling out. Have you been eating too much sugar?
Yes, I have.
Okay, then only one piece of cake.
Okay, and you get one more toy surprise.
Yay! Another toy surprise.
Ta-da!
Wow, thank you. It's a Trolls blind bag. Let's see which trolls we got. It looks like we got Guy Diamond. He has white hair and his body is blue and sparkly.
I can't believe I was in his mouth. That was crazy. So very crazy. Did I mention it was really crazy?
Yum, 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 yum.
Hey, you need to cut that out. If you're hungry, we'll feed you food.
Okay.
Psha! Psha!
Oh my goodness, that was so crazy.
Hi everyone! We really need your help. We need to match the Paw Patrol pups to their correct vehicle. Do you think you can help? That's great. Let's get started. Rubble, come on down. Rubble! Rubble is yellow, and he's our construction pup. Can we find a yellow vehicle? How about this one? No, that's green. How about this one? No, that's white. How about this one? Yes, it's yellow. This is Rubble's bulldozer. Okay, Rubble, hop in. Rubble on the double. Whoa, Rubble, be careful. Let's help Everest next. Everest, come on down. Everest. Everest is our ice and snow pup. She wears teal and orange, and she's purple and gray. Can we find a vehicle that matches Everest? How about this one? No, that's red. What about this one? No, it's orange. And how about this one? Yes, it has the same colors on it as Everest. It has gray, teal, and orange on it. Okay, Everest, hop in. Ice or snow, I'm ready to go. You're doing such a great job helping the pups. Let's help Marshall next. Come on down, Marshall. Marshall. Marshall is our fire pup. He's also our medic. Marshall is white and he wears red. Can we find a vehicle that matches him? How about this one? No, it's blue. What about this one? No, it's gray and pink. Let's try this one. That's right, it's red and it has white. Okay, Marshall, hop in. I'm all fired up. It's time to help Chase. Come on down, Chase. Chase. Chase is our police pup, and he wears a blue uniform. Can we find a vehicle that matches him? How about this one? It has blue on it, but it's mostly orange. How about this one? Yes, it's blue, just like Chase. Chase, hop in. Chase is on the case. Let's help Sky next. Sky, come on down. Sky. Sky is our air pup. She wears pink and gray. Can we find something that matches her? How about this one? No, it's white and green. How about this one? Yes, it's pink and gray, and it flies. Sky, hop into your helicopter. This pup's gonna fly. Okay, Rocky, let's help you next. Come on down, Rocky. Rocky. Rocky is our recycling pup. He wears green, white, and orange. Can we find a recycling vehicle that matches him? How about this one? It has green and white, but it's not a recycling truck. This one has orange and green, but that's not a recycling truck. How about this one? Yes, it's green and orange and it's a recycling truck. Hop in, Rocky. Don't lose it, reuse it. We just have two pups left, Tracker and Zuma. Tracker, Zuma, come on down. Tracker. Zuma. Tracker is our jungle pup. He wears green and white. And Zuma is our water dog. He wears orange. Can we match them to their vehicles? This one is green and white, and it looks like it belongs in the jungle. Who does it belong to? That's right, Tracker. Okay, Tracker, jump in. I'm all ears. It's our last vehicle. It's mostly orange and has a little bit of green and blue. Does this belong to Zuma? Yes, there's an anchor, so we know it's for our water dog. Hop in, Zuma. Let's dive in. Thanks for helping me and the pups. See you next time.